Hello guys and welcome to my Unity Physics 2D course. So in this episode I will show you how to make a platform move in a circular motion. Okay, so the first thing what we are going to do is duplicate this simple platform as you see here, and we will need to create a script for it called circular movement. So we open up the script, and this script will be using some high math functions. So a very actually beautiful math. I mean, you will never see the math the same after you learn this, but I don't know if I have the ability to explain it that greatly to you. Okay, so first we create a public transform called rotation center. Next, we will need two public floats. One will be angular speed, the second will be rotation radius. Okay, then we need three private floats: position x, position I, and angle equals 0. Okay, let's create a void update function. So position x equals rotation center dot position dot x plus mathematical function matf dot cosine. In the parameters we use angle. I will explain it how this works, and times rotation radius. Okay, so let's do almost the same with the position I, but we only use here sine, not cosine but sine. Okay, so we will need to change the transform.position of this game object, of the platform. How does this work? Very simple. We have a platform, and here we have the position. This is the position x, and this is the position I. And transform.position is just this position, so we will change transform.position of this platform very simply by new vector 2 position x position I. Very simple. Now we will need to make the angle change every second, every 30 times a second, I mean. Angle equal angle plus time dot delta time times angular speed. Okay, so very simple now. If angle is equal or is more or equal to 360, then angle is 0. So how does this work? I mean, if you haven't learned a bit difficult math, we use sine and cosine to create a circular movement like this. So this is the angle. As you see, it becomes 0, 100, 180 to 70, 360 instantly becomes 0 like this. So if we add the script to the platform, we will need a rotation center. So let's create a rotation center. Just create empty game object, call it rotation center, and add a gizmo to it, like a diamond or something, and just add it like in the middle. So we add this rotation center here, we add some speed, and the radius is just how big of a circle it will be. So I'll show you in a moment. So as you see, it starts from the right side, not from the gizmo diamond, that green diamond, but from the right side. So because this is the center of this whole rotation circle, and if I increase the rotation radius, as you see, it will be bigger and bigger, and the speed, if I increase the speed, it just goes faster. Okay, so Okay, but we will have a problem now. So I created those two platforms which move up and down and left and right in the last physics course video, but as you see, if I go, it bugs around, like the player just gets into the platform. So we will need to add the player controller, the player script, I mean, some few functions. So these are the functions that you need to add. So if player collides with an object that has a tag platform, the transform.parent is collision.transform. What does that mean? It means that if when a player touches that platform with a green diamond, it means it becomes like I don't know, I need to show you like how this works. So if you don't have a platform tag created by just clicking here on the plus, and it has to be absolutely the same as this word, they must match with the high letters and low letters. Okay, so now when I add this platform tag to the platform, player will move absolutely normally, like he should with the platform. I'll show you. You see, now it works fine. And as you see, the platform has a player child, it became, but look, if I actually leave it, the player goes back like this. So this is how this code works. Just add to your player script these two lines, not two lines, but two functions, and it will work just fine. Okay, that's pretty much it for this video. It's very short. If you have some questions or you want to make something like rotating spikes and stuff, like following enemies, attacking enemies, like maybe arrow shooting traps or something, just write in the comment anything you want and I'll try to help you out. Okay, have a good day, guys.